If you want to remove the MailChimp logo from your footer, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick, simple, and beginner-friendly way. This is especially useful if you want a cleaner looking email design or if you are updating an older campaign and want more control over the branding in your footer. Before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the page loads, sign in using your account credentials. After you log in, you'll land on your MailChimp dashboard, where you can manage your campaigns and email designs. Now, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored. Find the email campaign where you want to remove the footer logo. If you have a lot of campaigns, take your time and make sure you choose the correct one, because you want to edit the right email before saving any changes. Once you find the campaign you want to modify, click Edit to open the campaign settings. This will take you into the editing area where you can make changes to the email content and design. From there, click Edit Design to open the MailChimp email editor. This is the part where you can actually change the layouts of your email and edit the footer elements. After the editor opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the email until you find the footer block. The footer is usually located near the bottom of the message, and this is where MailChimp often places its branding or logo. When you locate the logo in the footer, click on it so it becomes selected. Once it is selected, you should see the trash icon appear. Click the trash icon to remove the logo from the footer. At this point, take a moment to review the email. Make sure the layout still looks clean, professional, and balanced after removing the logo or editing the footer. Check the spacing, the text, and the overall appearance so nothing looks off. If you need to make any final adjustments, now is the time to do that before saving. When everything looks good, click Save and Exit in the upper right corner to save your updated design. That will lock in the changes and keep your email campaign updated without the MailChimp logo in the footer. And that's it. You've now removed the MailChimp logo from the footer and saved your changes successfully. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.